Welcome to MSD Learning World.
Hello everyone. So here in this video we will see how do we analyze the space complexity for any program of any algorithm, and what is mean by space complexity, and what is the necessity for finding the space complexity for any algorithm. How do we calculate the space complexity for some of the sample programs. Space complexity is the total amount of memory space taken by the algorithm, taken by the program for its execution. The total amount of memory space is determined by the number of input values that you have used in your algorithm. So the space complexity is the sum of the space occupied by the input values and some auxiliary space that is utilized by the algorithm. The auxiliary space are nothing but some extra space or the temporary space that is used by the algorithm. So the space complexity is very much important to calculate the efficiency of the algorithm. The space complexity of an algorithm denotes the total space that is utilized by the various input that is used in the algorithm. The space is determined by the data type of the input variables. Now, here in this example, you have the variable int n and int number of n. So here number is an array variable. So the size of the integer array is determined based on the value of n. So here the space complexity of this line of coding is order of n. So if the number of values in the integer value n increases, then the space that is allocated for the integer number array is also getting increased. The space complexity of the above program is order of n. Why do we want to analyze the space complexity of an algorithm? What is the necessity behind that? Whenever your algorithm is using less space to find the desired output in a predefined very less time, then it means that your algorithm is very best. So the best algorithm will be utilizing very less storage space, and sometimes if your algorithm is using more memory space, then your time complexity also get increased. The execution time of your algorithm also get increased. So you must concise in designing your algorithm by using less storage space. So the lesser the storage space you use, the faster the execution time of the algorithm takes place. So the time complexity of an algorithm is much needed to calculate the efficiency of the algorithm. Sometimes when you use lot of memory space, the compiler may feel difficult to execute the program. It may stuck in between at runtime because of higher storage space. So the algorithm efficiency is much needed in case of analyzing the space complexity. The data type of the variable that you have used in your program is directly related to the amount of storage space that is taken by your program for execution. So here comes your memory space allocation for the various data type. So whenever we have a character variable, it occupies a memory of 1 byte, whereas your integer occupying 2 bytes, and float and long occupying 4 bytes, followed by the double with 8 bytes. So now let us see here an example to calculate the space complexity of the program. So here in this code snippet, you have 3 integer variables, int a, b and c. So you have used 3 variables to give the output of the program. As you know that integer will be occupying 2 bytes. So you have 3 variables, 2 into 3, totally 6 bytes. So the total amount space that is used by this program is a constant value 6. So the space complexity of this program is order of 1. Now let us take another example. Here you have 4 variables, out of which 3 are the integer variables, that is n, I and sum. And here you have an integer array arr of n. So the array integer variables determined, the number of array values is determined based on the value of n. So suppose if you assume that integer occupies 2 bytes, so the array variable takes 2 into n number of values. So the total amount of space, storage space taken by this program is 2n plus 6. The 6 is nothing but here you have 3 variables, so 3 into 2 it is 6, so 2n plus 6. But however, whenever we calculate the complexity of an algorithm, we always use additive rule. That is, we add up all the spaces allocated by each and every variable. and then finally we take up the highest order of the equation. So here with the 2n plus 6, the highest order of the equation is n. So the space complexity of this program is order of n, which is linear space complexity. Consider this example. Here you have a function which has a single variable as total. So the total amount of space that is allocated by that variable is 2. If it is an integer, it will be a 2. So the total amount of space will be in a form of a constant value. So the space complexity is order of 1, which is a constant space complexity. So in this example, here the input that is coming out of the function is the number of values n. But inside the function definition, you have a integer variable, an array variable, but the size of the array is not determined during the declaration of the variable. Whereas the variable high array, the size of that array is determined inside the for loop. So depending upon the values of n, the value will be stored and the array number of size is determined. So the space complexity that is used by this algorithm is order of n, which is a linear one. Here in this example, a list is generated which is going to have a sequence of variables, and the number of values in the list variable new underscore list is determined based on the input value n, and based on the number of values at runtime, the values are getting appended based on the values n. So the space complexity for this example is order of n. Here in this example, the statement hello world is printed based on the number of values n. So for x equal to 0 to n times, the hello world is printed. Here this program is not utilizing any list or arrays. So the space complexity of this program is constant, which is order of 1. Here we can see the space complexity of various sorting algorithm and the data structures that you will be using in your program. So the key point that you must remember while you are calculating the space complexity of an algorithm is, you will have a space complexity of order of 1, that is constant space complexity, whenever your program does not contain any loop and whenever your program does not contain any arrays or list. So whenever your program does not contain any loops or any arrays, then you will have the space complexity of order of 1. Whereas whenever your program contains the data structures like arrays, list, and your program contains several loops to execute and append the values of an arrays, then your space complexity will become order of n. Do not forget to comment, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.